Welcome to the Hayylo Action Creation tutorial. In this training video, we will guide you through the essential steps of creating an action in Hayylo. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Hayylo. Launch the Hayylo application on your device. Step 2. Navigate to Actions dashboard. Once you're in the Hayylo application, go to the Actions dashboard where you can access all your actions. Step 3. Create an action. Look at the Create Action button or similar option on the Actions dashboard. Click on it to begin creating a new action. Step 4. Pick an inquiry type. Select the appropriate inquiry type from the provided options. This helps categorize the action based on the customer's requirements or need. Step 5. Pick a group. Choose the relevant group or routing for the action. This determines which team or department will handle the action. Step 6. Set date. Specify the date for the action. Step 7. Add notes. This detail is mandatory. It is important to provide comprehensive notes and details for the action. Include all relevant information about the customer's requirement or need. This helps accurately capture and address the customer's concerns. Step 8. Review and submit. Before finalizing the action, review all the entered information to ensure its accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click on the Submit button or similar option to create the action. Congratulations! You have now learned the essential steps to create an action in Hayylo. Remember to open Hayylo, navigate to the Action dashboard, create a new action, select the inquiry type, choose the appropriate group or routing, set the action date, and provide detailed notes and information. Thank you for watching and happy action creation.